Ready to kick off 2025 in style? Canva offers tons of customizable templates to choose from to make a bingo card for the new year. To start us off, I'm using a black and white illustrated Find a Guess bingo card. As I get rid of all these components, I'm isolating the word bingo because I really like the font Tan Monchari. It's a really nice simplistic look. You'll see me fiddling around with the text box because I'm all about symmetry. Now right in the middle, instead of free space, I decided to put these cute little alcohol guy thingy mabobbers and 21 plus because you never ask a woman their age. Now I always wanted to do a 1,000 piece puzzle, but I would never get around to it because I'm always busy, so this is definitely a next step to kind of granting myself a peace of mind. This is just to kind of help me plan out how I'm gonna format everything. I have a lot of goals in mind that I want to achieve, such as read 25 books, which honestly seems a lot, but I'm a really fast reader. However, it is an excuse for me to go to Barnes & Nobles more because we only have one on the island and Zach buys my books. I'm so happy to say that I have one last semester and I'll be out with a bachelor's degree in communications. Whoop whoop! Now this might be a far stretch, but saving 25k, I don't know, my spending habits are kind of bad, so I might change that. Now, losing 25 kg, also known as 55 pounds, is definitely gonna be a challenge. I do struggle with my body image, so no pain, no gain. Landing a job offer after graduation is something that recent graduates do struggle. So hopefully I land a good offer within 3 to 6 months for a company that's willing to give me a chance. Now, I wouldn't be creating this video for you folks if I didn't have create over 25 YouTube videos. My last video was literally in 2021, so definitely want to rectify that. Unlike the mainland, there isn't much classes offered to kind of enhance your skill or perhaps try out a new skill. So I definitely want to travel and perhaps try out a cooking class. Instead of eating out all the time, I want to try meal prepping for a month so me and Zach don't rely on flipping a coin for one of us to choose and end up being indecisive with our choice. We've been having family dinners for quite some time now, and I want to do it at home on a bi-weekly basis, unless someone puts extra salt while I'm cooking. Zach? I really try my best to stay indoors, but perhaps this year, touching grass and take a 30-minute walk every day wouldn't hurt. Now, going into the new year, I want to focus more on quality time with friends and family. So hosting a game night is something I want for one of us on a bi-weekly basis to choose the game for us to enjoy. The goal for this year is to stream 3 times a week, but I would be even lucky to even stream 2 times a week with my busy schedule. Now, with the power of video editing, here's the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed me yapping about my goals for 2025. That being said, Happy New Year. Heroes out.